Hi, I'm Greg Murray, and I'd like to talk louder to you, but I can't. My wife is asleep. It's 3 a.m., and I don't want to wake her, but I wanted to get this information to you. This is a new program we're going to be using for our interview called OBSNinja. It's really super simple to use, and it's really cool. What I'd like for you to do is simply click on the link that I provided for you in the email that accompanied this link to this video. All you have to do after that is add your name, then click OK. Then click on Join Room with Camera. After that, you define your camera and you also define your audio, like your microphone. Click Start and we're ready to go. You'll see yourself and your camera on the full screen, and you'll also see others that may join into the room during this interview. Be sure to share with your family and friends the link to watch the show at www.twitch.tv/Greg Murray Entertainment. Let's have some fun. And thank you for joining me.